So you've got a great microphone, but your audio still sounds amateur. It's probably not your this. It's this. Get too close and you get a distorted booming mess. Too far and you sound weak and lost in the room. The fix is actually simpler than you think. This sweet spot, right? It's right here, about the distance of your fist from the mesh. That's the rule for most standard microphones. But here's the pro secret. Don't speak directly into the top. Just angle it slightly towards your mouth. This reduces those harsh and sound instantly. They are called plosives and sibilants. It changes everything. You get clear, full presence without the distortion. Your voice sounds professional, trusted, and clear. It's the fastest free audio upgrade you will ever make. So I would like you to try it now. Adjust your mic, record a quick text, and hear the difference. If this one tip leveled up or worked for you, make sure you hit the like button. It helps some people find these simple fixes that these videos as I make, provide. I break down the small details that make a huge difference. My name is Gloria Kachuku, and next time you hear a podcast or watch a video with crystal clear audio like this one, you would know they're probably just a fist away. Bye, so I get you in my next video.